Good morning, ma'am. Let me introduce myself. My name is Asima Indra Syotang. I will read out the result of my reflection on the assessment I have carried out using the following question grid. Number 1. What important things do you mention in the text? 1. Description text. The important thing in description text is your ability to describe or explain in detail about an object, place, or event, such as in topic 1, self and family. We are required to be able to write and tell about ourselves and our family. We also introduce ourselves to our friends, or our friends introduce themselves to us. There are times when we talk about our family with other people or your friends and vice versa. It is important to use words that are descriptive and describe clear so that reader can imagine or understand visually. 2. Procedure text. The important thing in procedure text is your ability to give step-by-step instruction on how to do something, such as in topic 2, hobby and jobs. We are required to be able to write down and tell what your hobby and jobs are. It is important to use a clear sequence and use it to understand language so that your readers can follow the procedure correctly. A procedure uses several strategies to show the steps. For example, using number 1, 2, 3, and so on. There are also those who is first, second, next, and family. 3. Recount text. The important thing in recount text is your ability to retell an event or experience. As in school topic 3, we are required to be able to write a narrative experience when we were studying in elementary school. There are things we need to pay attention to when we write recount text, such as the structure and feature found in recount text, namely orientation, event, and reorientation. It is important to use a clear timeline and relevant details so that readers can relate to the experience as if they were experiencing it themselves. 4. Persuasive text. The important thing in persuasive text is your ability to convince reader about a view or opinion, such as in topic 4, environment. We are required to be able to write and tell what your environment is facing and how to overcome it. There are things we need to pay attention to when writing persuasive text, which are wrong one in the structure that build the persuasive text itself, namely statement of motion, argument, and reiteration of apple. It is important to use strong and logical argument and effective persuasive techniques so that reader can be influenced and agree with the view or opinions expressed. For example, we want to persuade reader or listener not to litter, then we have to add logical argument that pushes its prohibition against littering. To number 2, why it is important to discuss in the text? My answer is the important things are very important to discuss in the descriptive text, procedure text, recount text, and persuasive text because as typed or text has different purpose and use. By understanding this important thing, we can adjust the writing style and structure to suit the purpose of each type of text. The following are the reasons why the important things are very important to discuss is each type of text. 1. Descriptive text. In descriptive text, our ability to describe or explain in detail is very important because the aim is to provide a clear and detailed picture of object, place, or event. By using descriptive words, reader can imagine or visually understand what is being explained. 2. Procedure text. In procedure text, our ability to provide step-by-step instruction is very important because the goal is to provide wisdom on how to do something. By using a clear, swift, and easy to understand language, reader can follow the procedure correctly. 3. Recount text. In recount text, our ability to retell an event or experience is very important because the aim is to provide a story about what happened. By using a clear timeline and relevant detail, reader can relate to the experience as if they were experiencing it themselves. 4. Persuasive text. In persuasive text, our ability to convince reader of a view or opinion is very important because the aim is to influence the reader to agree with the view or opinion expressed. By using strong and logical arguments and effective persuasive techniques, writer can achieve their persuasive goals. Number 3. What impact do you want to have from the writing? My answer is the impact I want to procedure from writing in X type of text is as follows. Number 1. Description text. I want reader to be able to image clear and in detail about the object, place, or event that I describe. 2. Procedure text. I want reader to be able to follow the quick step, usually and successfully apply the procedure I explain. Number 3. Recount text. I want reader to feel the experience or event that I tell as if they had experienced it themselves. 4. Persuasive text. I want reader to be influenced and agree with the views or opinion I convey. Number 4. What will you do to improve the quality of your writing? My answer is to improve the quality of writing in each type of text. I will do the following things. Number 1. Description text. I will use more description and design language and pay attention to the use of description techniques such as the use of sense, comparison, and metaphor to make the description more lively and interesting. Number 2. Procedure text. I will ensure that the steps in the quit that I will write are clear and easy to follow, and use simple and clear language so that readers are not confused or misunderstood. 3. Recount text. I will focus on using a clear time sketch and relevant detail to make the experience a little more vivid and engaging to the reader. Number 4. Persuasive text. I will use strong and logical arguments as well as effective persuasive techniques such as the use of rhetoric, data, and testimonial to convince readers of the views or opinions I convey. By taking this step, I am sure that the quality of writing in each type of text will improve. So, ma'am, I have read the result of my assessment reflection. Good morning, ma'am, and thank you, ma'am.